On today's video, where I'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to naturally boost your immune system. If you want to feel more energized, fight off illnesses effectively, and maintain overall well-being, then stick around. Let's dive right in. The foundation of a strong immune system starts with what you eat. Let's break it down. These are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help your body fight infections. Try incorporating citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, which are rich in vitamin C. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil help reduce inflammation and support cell function. Lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins like lentils help repair body tissues and produce antibodies. Yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut improve gut health, which is crucial for immunity. A healthy gut means a strong immune system. Here's a quick immune-boosting smoothie. Blend together spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, a handful of berries, and a teaspoon of honey. Packed with nutrients and delicious. Hydration is key to flushing out toxins and keeping your immune system functioning at its best. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. You can also drink herbal teas like green tea or ginger tea, which contain antioxidants to boost immunity. Did you know that sleep deprivation weakens your immune system? Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Establish a bedtime routine by reducing screen time before bed, using calming scents like lavender, and keeping your room cool and dark. Regular exercise enhances your immune response by promoting good circulation, reducing inflammation, and boosting feel-good hormones. You don't have to do intense workouts. Even a daily 30-minute walk, yoga, or light strength training helps. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. Try stress-reducing activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, journaling, or spending time in nature. Taking a few minutes each day to relax makes a huge difference. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in immune health. Get some sunlight for about 15 to 20 minutes daily, or include vitamin D-rich foods like salmon, mushrooms, and fortified dairy products in your diet. If necessary, consider a supplement after consulting a healthcare professional. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption weaken immune defenses. If you smoke, consider quitting, and if you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Your immune system will thank you. Prevent infections by practicing good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently, avoid touching your face, and keep your surroundings clean. Simple habits make a big impact on your health. Certain herbs and supplements can enhance your immune function. Elderberry, echinacea, and turmeric have powerful anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties, but always consult a healthcare provider before taking new supplements. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to naturally boosting your immune system. Remember, small daily changes lead to long-term benefits. Which of these tips will you start implementing today? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. See you in the next video.